For instructors, the Oracy Labs electronic classroom provides everything they need to deliver high-quality software training experiences online. From the classroom, instructors can quickly check on the status of all the classroom labs and can start and stop each one either individually or as a group. Instructors can also check on the student roster to see which students have received their invitations and have logged into the classroom. Reusable libraries of class material, like video or instructional documents, can be automatically added to the students' labs. Optionally, instructors can control when these materials are made available and whether students can download them. When it's time for class, instructors can quickly start a class session. Sessions control student access to the class and can be started or stopped at the instructor's discretion. To start the instructional portion of the class, the instructor would most likely teach from their own copy of the class lab. In most cases, the instructor's lab is identical to the student's lab so that every mouse click is the same for everyone. The instructor lab can also have additional software or presentation material to aid in the delivery of the class. There is also a convenient pop-out toolbar available on every page that provides the same functionality as the classroom. Instructors can use this toolbar to manage the labs, sessions, sharing, and monitor the student roster, without ever having to switch context.